The way we use energy is more important than ever before. Fuel costs are rising, and gas and oil heating are now seen as part of the problem. We need to find low-carbon solutions to help combat climate change and tackle fuel poverty. Air source heat pumps have been used in Europe for many years, and modern versions now offer a real alternative for homes in the UK. One name stands out as the most reliable and easy to install. The award-winning Ecodan from Mitsubishi Electric, which has been optimized for the UK, sits outside your home and needs only water and a single-phase electrical connection. It can cut running costs by at least 30% over gas and halve CO2 emissions. Savings over oil and LPG heating are even greater. Ecodan harvests renewable energy from the air, even when it's cold. So for every 1 unit of electricity it uses, the home receives at least 3 units of heating. Because it simply plumbs into the heating system in a similar way to traditional boilers, installation is easy, and homeowners notice very little difference. Ecodan heats a water circuit, and this is sent to the hot water cylinder inside the home, where the heat then travels through a plate heat exchanger and transfers the energy to the domestic water supply. Scale buildup on the plate heat exchanger is prevented due to Mitsubishi Electric patented scale stop technology, giving the homeowner a reliable source of hot water all year round. It is proven to do this even if outdoor temperatures drop to -20, because there is latent heat from the sun, even on the coldest of days. This is why the MCS-approved Ecodan qualifies as a renewable technology and makes it eligible for government payments from the Renewable Heat Incentive. Live tests have shown that it works at average efficiency levels of over 300% over the winter, even with recorded temperatures of -10 degrees. Ecodan works with the traditional radiators and hot water setup that everyone is used to. An approved installer can advise if the existing ones are suitable. It will provide all the heating and hot water the average home needs and comes in a range of different sizes, making it suitable for both modern properties and older homes with good thermal insulation. Over 70% of the energy we use in our homes goes on heating and hot water. So if we can find a way to lower this energy use, we can lower fuel bills and make a difference to the nation's carbon emissions house by house. Ecodan is particularly suited to underfloor heating systems, where the lower temperatures increase its efficiency even further. A well-insulated property with an Ecodan can achieve level 4 of the code for sustainable homes. And with fuel poverty increasing in the UK, the cuts in running costs will be welcomed by more and more households. So if you are looking for a renewable heating technology that cuts cost, reduces carbon emissions and helps you meet renewable energy targets, isn't it time you looked at Ecodan?